Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 28 in white gold and diamonds with a mother pearl dial, reference 279139 RBR. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of the Datejust, then I'll tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts, and then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally tried on, and even my thoughts. So let's start with the history. The Datejust came about in 1945. That's 40 years after Rolex became a company, and at the end of the Second World War. I believe probably since all the fighting had stopped, Rolex could finally make some watches, and they produced their most iconic line. The Datejust has since gone on to be their most successful, most numerous, and probably most iconic line that they make. Rolex makes tons of different collections, and all of them are pretty much smash hits. Their Datejust, their Submariners, their Yachtmasters, their Day-Dates, list goes on. The Datejust is probably the one that most people can recognize. And it was a first of its kind. It could tell both the time and the date, and it was also waterproof, which at the time in 1945 was a big deal. And yeah, okay, so that since then it has gone on to have many variations, thousands of variations. They make it in every size and color and material configuration you can imagine. The most basic way to break it down is by size, which is 28, 31, or 36 for women, and this is the smallest one, size 28. And I would suggest it for those women who have a wrist size of 5.5 inches or smaller, or I would say maybe maximum 6 inches, and if you have a wrist size larger than that, then you can go with size 31. They have different sizes. For those reasons, just like shoes, they have that fit different sizes, they have watches that fit different wrists. So anyways, that Datejust 28, then let's talk about where this watch stands in the lineup. Well, the Datejust 28 is a lady Datejust, is only for ladies, and they make it in many different variations. They make it, let's start off by bringing it down into the material. They make it in only steel, they make it steel and gold, steel and rose gold, white gold, and yellow gold. They also make it in all precious metal, yellow gold, white gold, rose gold. What you're looking at here is white gold, so the least in your face of all of them, but still actually the most expensive. White gold is actually more expensive, at least as of the making of this video, at 25. This watch retails for $47,450, and it seems like the gold prices keep going up, so probably the gold price on this will continue to rise over time. But you can buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online by clicking on the link in the description below. And this one is not only white gold, but it also has diamonds, making it actually the most expensive lady Datejust that you can get in this configuration. You can't get any more expensive than putting diamonds and white gold on the watch, which still makes it very luxurious, but it keeps it less showy or blingy or in your face than other materials such as yellow gold or rose gold. Okay, now let's talk about the case itself. Is white gold, and Rolex mixes their own gold and their gold foundries, and to make sure that the watch remains the same maintains the same luster and beauty. They mix proportions of silver, copper, platinum, palladium in however way they do. They don't tell anybody, but they do it in their in-house laboratory with state-of-the-art equipment, of course, so that it's just done to perfection. And the result is what you see here, 28 millimeters. And has a closed case back with a winding crown and screwed on case back, so it keeps it completely waterproof. And a nice thickness, I think I want to say is like 11 millimeters or so. Okay, let's move on to the bezel here. You can actually get this bezel with a fluted bezel, which is the most iconic, but that for some people is not enough. Some people want it completely diamonded out. So that's what you get here, completely diamonded out bezel. And you might think, oh, well, too many diamonds is not good. Well, you know, if you do it wrong, then it's not good. But Rolex says do it wrong. They do it right. And they make the diamonds nice size, but they don't make it too big. So if you make it too big, it also doesn't look good. So they made it a very nice diamond bezel size here. And Rolex chooses the best quality diamonds possible. The cleanest diamonds, decolored, eternally flossed, natural stones, all the best stones that you can possibly get. And they have a master gem setter meticulously align them so that each stone is placed with the right orientation, position, regularity, strength, proportion, etc., so that it, in the end, you get an intricate finish and a sparkling symphony to enhance the watch and enchant the wearer. Quite a feat, actually. The same goes with the dial. The dial is a mother of pearl, so it's a natural pearl. No two mother of pearl dials are going to be the same. They look slightly different, but you can rest assured that any mother of pearl that Rolex puts in their watch is going to meet their standard, such that if it does appear in a Rolex watch and it's a factory dial, that it will not only be different, but also it will be amazingly beautiful. It has different hues of color in their mother of pearl. Some have a little bit of pink, a little white, black, some yellow, and it has different color intensity, structure, etc., depending on where the shell's part of the shell that it's extracted from. But at any rate, you don't have to say, oh, I want this mother of pearl, I want that one. No, all mother of pearls from Rolex have met the requirement, and that requirement is very high. And they also choose the best diamonds. Again, they place them on the dial, and the result is what you see, a very clean, beautiful watch. And you might even say this is like a vegan watch, right? Because it's got a dial that's from nature, the diamonds that are made from nature, the white gold that's from nature. So it's a very eco-friendly watch, if you will. Okay, let's move on here. That is the dial. And let's move on to the bracelet. Now the bracelet, it's interesting. Rolex uses a president bracelet on a Datejust. Now they only use the president bracelet on watches that have precious metals. So they don't use this president bracelet on steel or steel and gold, only on white gold, rose gold, or yellow gold, or platinum. And when they do that, it makes the watch really look it makes people really understand that this is a very expensive watch. It's done on precious metal, and it's a very beautiful bracelet. 370 circular links. There's no comfort extension, but it is very beautiful. And they couldn't do a day date on this small of a size because there's not enough room to even fit the words of, you know, Monday through Sunday. So that's why probably they did it this way. All right, now the movement here is a 2-2-3-6 movement. It's 55-hour power reserve. Very nice. Not much to talk about there. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist. Now I'm a man. This is for a woman, and I've just placed it against my hand so you can at least see. And this is really top of the line. My thoughts are that the Datejust in precious metal using a president bracelet is really top of the line. I really like it in either size 28 or 31. Now which material and configuration, that of course is up to you, but I'm just going to say in general I'm a big fan of the Datejust, and even more so on the president bracelet in precious metal. But this one in particular, I do like it in mother of pearl. I think it's a very clean look. With diamonds, it's still very clean. And I actually, if I were to get one of these for myself, for my wife, I would not get it on any other configuration probably except for this, because I just think it looks very clean this way. And I like the diamonds. Fantastic watch. So if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at justtime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.